ರಣಹಿಡಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I strongly condemn the irresponsible statement of B.K. Hariprasad.
They want to change. They are causing lot of inconvenience to all the students.
People like Chakravarti Sulibele, you know that they half the time their work is only to promote hate and division.
Karnataka Primary and Secondary Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa said the textbooks will be revised this year and the decision will be taken end of this month. Congress MLC B.K. Hariprasad said inclusion of individuals such as RSS founder and freedom fighter Keshav Hegdewar will not be allowed in textbooks.
ಹೆಡ್ಗೇವಾರ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಷಮಾಪಣೆ ಪತ್ರ 6 ಬಾರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಚಿತ್ರಗುಪ್ತ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಷಮಾಪಣೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಂಥ ರಣಹಿಡಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ.
On this, BJP spokesperson S. Prakash said Hegdewar was a freedom fighter and B.K. Hariprasad's statement is unfounded and baseless.
No, I strongly condemn the irresponsible statement of B.K. Hariprasad. He has insulted a freedom fighter. He has needlessly, baselessly called Dr. Hegdewar a coward and accuses that he has written an apology letter to the Britishers. It is an unfounded and a baseless allegation he has made.
BJP MLA Ashwath Narayan also said committee didn't take time to review before deciding to revise the textbooks.
With regard to the textbooks been prescribed in the primary and secondary, they want to revise. So they could have taken the time, they could have allowed the committee, they could have constituted a committee and allow them to revise and look into it, the present syllabus and what changes need to be brought. Instead of taking their own time, already the academic year has started, they want to change, they are causing lot of inconvenience to all the students.
Educationist Mansoor Ali Khan, an AICC secretary, said Government of Karnataka is well within its purview to revise the syllabus and it was a propaganda by adding a certain ideology to textbooks. When asked about the lessons on RSS founder Keshav Hegdewar, right-winger Chakravarti Sulibele and scholar Bananji Govindacharya being removed from the textbooks, Mansoor Ali Khan said any individual or entity that promotes hate and division should be kept out of the textbooks.
See, the Karnataka government is well within its purview, but of changing the syllabus. If you see the previous government, in the last 1.5 years, they worked with a particular agenda. They were changing syllabus without really having authentic information, and it was going through a propaganda. And there was no, the people who were deciding the syllabus were appointed for that particular purpose of making sure that a particular ideology is promoted. But our Congress government is a very fair government, and we are just whatever things which have been done in the past, we are just making sure that we undo the damage what the previous government has done, because curriculum and syllabus are very important thing, and you can't teach the present and future generations something which is not substantiated, and we are just trying to correct the wrongdoings of the previous government. See, anything which has got to do with propaganda and promoting a particular ideology with which is not keeping fairness in mind should be rectified and verified. And people like Chakravarti Sulibele, you know that they half the time their work is only to promote hate and division. And I think people like that were included earlier by the earlier governments in framing the curriculum, and I think they should be kept out, and it's better for the children of the state and the future generations of the state.